So actually we were discussing today the materials that are used in the building construction world. So more and more we talk about recycling materials because we see that in the building industry we use a lot of raw materials, and most of these raw materials are not used after life. So we see that 98% of the raw materials that are used in building products are going to dump sites after their life, which is a pity. So that's why I was here today to discuss potential solutions for these recycling activities. We have, of course, a few very nice solutions. I can give you one example of plasterboard. Plasterboard is a building board that's used to make ceilings, cladding. I can tell you that we achieved in the beginning of the year to produce a plasterboard of 100% recycled gypsum, which means that we take the plasterboard from old buildings, we bring it back to our factory and we reuse it as a new plasterboard. One example. Another example is the fact that we are building a factory today to recycle fiber cement. That means that we will take fiber cement back from the market, we crush it, we make powder of it, and we use it again in the cement to make again fiber cement. So it's a closed loop. So these are a few examples of what we are doing to bring more circularity in, let's say, the products, in the building products. So this event is very important because on the one hand, you have the policymakers who put the regulations in place, who also incentivize sometimes these kind of things. And on the other hand, you have, of course, the industrial companies who also are looking long-term to what kind of products, what kind of solutions we can bring in the market. So by having these two parties, let's say, together in this kind of events, you can really challenge each other. How can we go faster? What do we have to do? So it's actually a great event. What we see as an industrial player, because we have, of course, shareholders behind us, we want to know where we go. And we see in Europe that we have done quite some regulations and the framework is now ready. My message is that the framework is ready, now we have to execute. So let's do something now and let's execute. That's my main message for today.